If you want to create a custom Squarespace Era 404 page, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to design a better 404 page in Squarespace, so when visitors land on a broken link, they see a helpful message instead of a dead end. This is a great way to improve your website experience, keep people engaged, and send visitors back to your homepage quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Let's jump in. First, go to your Squarespace Pages panel. This is where all of your main pages, hidden pages, and system pages are managed. In the Pages panel, look for the Not Linked section. Next to that section, click the plus icon to create a new page. From the menu that appears, choose Blank Page. This gives you a clean starting point, which is perfect for building a custom 404 page. Now name the page something clear, like 404 or Page Not Found. This name is mainly for your organization inside Squarespace, so use whichever label makes the most sense to you. After that, click Edit so you can start designing the page. Squarespace will open the page editor, and from there you can use the Fluid Engine Grid to place your content exactly where you want it. For the design, keep things simple and helpful. Add a friendly heading that lets people know they've reached an error page, such as, "Oops, that page seems to have wandered off." You can also add a short line of text that reassures the visitor and guides them to the next step. The goal is to make the page feel intentional, not broken. Next, add a prominent button block. This is one of the most important parts of a good 404 page because it gives visitors an immediate way to get back on track. Set the button link to your homepage so anyone who lands on the error page can return to your site with one click. You can label the button something simple like Go to Homepage or Back to Home. Make sure it stands out visually so it's easy to find. Once your layout looks the way you want it, click Save. That saves the custom page layout you just built. But you're not done yet, because Squarespace still needs to know that this page should be used as your actual 404 error page. Now return to your main Pages panel in the side menu, scroll all the way down to the very bottom and click System Pages. This section contains special pages like your checkout page, password page, and 404 page. Find 404 page and click it. You'll see a drop-down selection there, and by default, it will usually be set to System Default. Change that drop-down from System Default to the new 404 page layout you just created. This tells Squarespace to use your custom design whenever someone visits a broken or missing URL on your site. After selecting your new page layout, click Save Again, and that's it. Your Squarespace Era 404 page is now customized and ready to help visitors recover instead of leaving them stuck. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference in how professional your site feels. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Squarespace tips, and I'll see you in the next video.